Let's move the next example based on the block reduction method. So example number 4. Here they are given again two mixer, both are in series. Again two block, both are in again series, that is G1, G2. Again there is a one mixer, and last block, that is G3 block. Okay. See, again there is a feedback element called as H2 goes toward this feedback minus positive, right? And again there is the one feedback element is going here called as H1 to this input mixer. This is again negative and this is positive. Okay. Again one more feedback element is there from output to directly input, that is H3. Okay. H3. Okay. It goes towards the second one, and this is negative and this is positive. Okay. This is the block diagram they are giving, and they told us find a single simplified block. See what to do to solve this. See, for every example there are common formulas we use. First one is series formula, second one is parallel formula, third one is elimination of feedback. These three formulas are we use regularly, right? See, in the first step only, can we use this G1 and G2 as in series, so reduce single block. And again there is one more formula in between. C, can we use elimination of feedback element, rule number 7. Okay, so both the formula we use in the single step only. So this is first mixer, this is the second mixer. See, can we use these two blocks is in series, so it becomes G1 into G2, right? And here can we use block elimination rule, that is G3 upon 1 plus G3 H2. Okay. Again see what is the remaining as it is. See, this H1 is remaining as it is. Okay, and it goes here, right? Minus and plus. Okay, again this top H3 is as it is. Okay, and this goes here like this. Okay, now what to do in next step? See, can we do what to do? See, there is nothing to do, because see, the mixer is mixed here. We can't use elimination of H1 feedback. We can't use elimination of H3 because it is everything mixed. So there is a one rule. See, exchange of mixer. Where is that? So that rule is not shown here. See, there is a rule. We can shift this both the mixer, or we can shift or exchange both the mixer. Okay, without any changes. Okay, so see, so suppose this is the first one and this is second one, right? So I'm just putting second one initially, then first one. Only I'm exchanging. So second one having feedback, that is H3 feedback. Okay, H3 feedback. Okay, and first one having feedback, that is H1 feedback. Okay, I'm just exchanging the position of mixer, and this G1 into G2 as it is, G1 into G2 as it is. Okay, and last block, that is G3 divided by 1 plus G3 H2 as it is. Okay, see, this feedback element is what to do here? I'm just shifting mixer or exchanging mixer positions. This is second one, this is first one. I'm just exchanging the mixer position. Okay, using that, what we see to reduce, see this block we can reduce easily. This block, elimination of feedback rule. Okay, elimination of feedback rule we can use easily. So again same, first mixer as it is. Okay, and elimination of feedback rule, what is the forward path? G1 G2 is forward path divided by, see this is negative, that's why it is 1 plus G1 G2 H1, right? So this is the reduced block. Again G3 is as it is divided by 1 plus G3 H2. Okay, again this H3 as it is. Okay, this H3 goes towards the first mixer. Now what to do next? See, again these two blocks are in series. See, these two blocks are in series. Okay, so we use series method. So mixer is as it is. Okay, these, when both blocks are in series, will become multiplication. So G1 G2 G3, numerator multiply with the numerator, and denominator is multiply with the denominator. Okay, and feedback element is as it is. Feedback element is as it is. What is the feedback element? H3 is a feedback element. It goes towards the mixer and it comes from output. Okay, this input is negative and positive. Okay, now in the last step, what to do? Let's move on the next page. Okay, what to do in last step? See, again elimination of feedback loop. What is the elimination of feedback loop? If the block become very much bigger, so for block is G1 G2 G3 whole divided by first bracket 1 plus G1 G2 H1, second bracket 1 plus G3 H2, right? Divided by, oh, this is plus 1, right? This is minus 1, that's why we are taking positive. Forward block, that is G1 G2 G3 whole divided by first bracket 1 plus G1 G2 H1, 1 plus G3 H2, right, into feedback element. Feedback element is H2. Okay, so this is the block we get at the last. So maybe you think that it is very looks in the complication form. So can we reduce it? We can easily reduce it. See, numerator we put as it is. See, numerator we put as it is G1 G2 G3 divided by 1 plus G1 G2 H1, and in the second bracket 1 plus G3 H2, right, whole divided by, see, can we take cross multiplication here? So this bracket is cross multiplied with the 1, so it becomes 1 plus G1 G2 H1, 1 plus G3 H2 plus G1 G2 G3, right, into H2. Okay, now whole divided by these two brackets, that is 1 plus G1 G2 H1 and 1 plus G3 H2. See, in the numerator and denominator both the terms are same. See, this term and this term both are same. So what is the remaining? Both are cancelled together. So what is the remaining? Only last term is remaining, that is G1 G2 G3 divided by 1 plus G1 G2 H1, 1 plus G3H2 plus G1 G2 G3H2. This is your final answer of this numerical. Okay, again, if you have any doubts regarding steps, regarding formulas, pause this video, go back and again play, you get a exact solution. Okay, put your list of formulas in front of you. That means wherever we use the formulas, you can click easily or get solution easily. Thank you.